it's Jill from glimmerbug.com, and today, well, just 1 second, can you hear the rain coming in the background? So we are getting hit by the remnants of Hurricane Florence that totally destroyed the eastern coast of the Carolinas recently, so we're getting the, like, kind of end of it. And it is pouring. My poor kids were like ducks in the puddle this morning at the bus stop. It was terrible. I felt so bad for them. So if you hear that, that's what that noise is, because it's really coming down. So anyway, today I wanted to do, just pop in quick and do a quickie video of some ATCs that I'm working on. We, in my Facebook group, we're doing a trade of coins that are Halloween themed. So I had some paper from my stash that had, I love to keep background paper. So I have, like, you know, tags that I use for templates and that kind of thing. So I usually just rub my brush on it when I have extra paint and use that as a background for something else. So that's where I started this from, and I just kind of threw some orange, some yellow, some black stamps, stuff that I just had on my desk, and made quick backgrounds. And now I'm going to do the front sides, and I have these adorable printouts of owls and kitties that I thought were really, really cute to use on the fronts of the coins. And then I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put like little Halloween words. I haven't decided yet, but we'll see how it goes. So yeah, so I just thought, well, let's start with that, and I'll do the back sides to share with everyone how I do just a kind of a cuckoo looking design, no plan, no nothing, and make some of these ATCs that I can send off to my girlfriends for our ATCs, AT coins, not ATCs, artist trading coins, that I'll send off to my girlfriends in our art swap group later this week. So yeah, so let's get started. And I'm using cheapo paint. That is the name of my game. I love cheapo paint, and whatever I have in my stash. I've got a bunch of old brushes. I've got this, I keep this little canister on my desk. It's got like my erasers and that kind of thing in it, but it also has mark making tools. So I use that I keep that usually right there on my desk so that I can grab it and kind of make funky little marks. So, and then I'm just going to use plain printer paper to make the background, and some rubber stamps and that kind of thing. So let's get started, and we'll see what we come up with.